Hello, my sneezy friends and fans. Today, a little bit different. I'm not all dressed up, so I don't have crazy wigs on, even though I've had a lot of people asking me if this is a wig. No, this isn't a wig, this is my actual hair. And no crazy makeup, so pretty fresh faced, ready for sneezes, and I'm going to give you a proper Chhinkni powder sneeze. Thank you for being so patient. I know it's been quite a while because I've had a lot of messages asking where I've been. Truth of the matter is, I haven't been that well. Unfortunately, I suffer from lupus as well as an immune deficiency, so sometimes it causes some really horrible things that I have to go through, but I do this when I can, so thank you for being patient. And to anybody who's been waiting for a custom, I really appreciate your patience with that. Obviously, if you're spending money, you are the priority, so I hope I've delivered everything on time. But yes, that's the story. Also, I have been banned from using coffee to manage my my memberships. So to anybody who has supported me on there before, I'm really sorry that that just stopped all of a sudden, but I have set up a new Discord server for myself. So what I'm going to do is actually put the link on my website. So if you go to my website, mistressally.com, you'll see the link there, and you can chat to me and I can help you further if you're busy looking for like a custom video or something like that. Okay, so that's 2 minutes of talking, so I better get sneezing because I know that's what you guys really want to see. So here we go. I'm just going to put my hair back a bit because it gets a little hot. Okay, I'm going to put some on here. I have already done a couple of sneezes, not too many, so I hope that my nose isn't too desensitized to it. So you can see it all there under my nose. It's already starting. Excuse me. That one was quite rough. It tickles so much. Excuse me. To everybody who says bless you every time, thank you so much. I love it when people bless you when you sneeze, and it always kind of, I don't know, when you're in a public place and you sneeze and no one says bless you, kind of want to just say, excuse me, can somebody please just think about me? No, that's probably rude, but anyway, thanks for the blessings. Here's some honking nose blows. So I'll do this video for both sneezing fans and honking and nose blowing fans. So okay, that's not honking, that's just plain clearing out what's in my sinuses. And you can see it's all the powder and very, very wet tissues. Do some honks for you, since I am the honking queen. So I'm already starting to cry from the sneezes. There's one coming. Excuse me, bless me. See, my nose gets all red from the sneezing. And just holes in my tissues. Oh, there you go. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you are a fan of sneezing, of nooses, of honking, nose blowing, sneezing, and also some other things that are maybe slightly unusual. I'm hoping to also do some content on here with my feet, with pedicures and things like that, to show you how I do foot care at home. So if that's the kind of thing that you're into, please like, subscribe, click on the notification thing. I'm not a YouTuber. Well, I suppose I am, but I'm not like a YouTuber, so I don't know how to do all the, hey guys, like and subscribe, whatever. So thank you so much for joining me. I thought I would just give you also a little bit more information for those who just want to go on to the next video. That's absolutely fine, but for some of those who want to just get to know me a bit more, sorry, I can't stop touching my hair. For those who want to get to know me a little bit more, I thought at the end of the videos I will just give a quick few things about me so you can learn. Okay, so I'm Ali. I currently live in South Africa, so that's what the accent is. It is not Australian, it is not British, Scottish, etc. So I live in South Africa, so at the moment it is really hot and sunny, hence the like spaghetti strap tops and things like that. I am turning 36 this year, so I'm old, and I know I've got a younger face, so everybody always asks me, when they see I've got a teenage daughter, they're like, but you look so young. I've been accused of being her nanny and her au pair before when I take her out, but no, I am an old lady with a young face. So let me know in the comments if you've got any questions, if you'd like to know anything else about me. Feel free to send them through, because as you know by now, I love chatting. So thank you for all of the support. You guys keep well, and I will hopefully upload some more for you soon.